A state of emergency in one Missouri town after a tornado touched down over the weekend.
Johnny Rollins and News Chopper 9 HD captured this footage of the storm near Orick as the twister began to form. Officials say the tornado was an EF2 with winds up to 120 miles an hour. Missouri Governor Jay Nixon has activated the state's emergency operations plan, allowing state agencies to help provide emergency services. Now, we just received word that school administrators in Orick have canceled the last few days of classes due to storm damage.
Now here's what parents and students need to know. 7th graders through high school students are being asked to check the school district's website for information on when they can return to school and clean out their lockers. Pre-K through 6th grade students will be notified next week.
Now this comes as people in Orick start to pick up the pieces and begin to rebuild their lives.
It is not going to be an easy task. KMBC 9's Michael Mahoney is live in Orick with the recovery efforts. Michael?
Then there are definitely signs of progress here, and you can see them behind me, these 4 or 5 foot tall stacks of debris cleared out of the roads now and on the sign, but there are also some concerns here. Here's one of them. Western Missouri Congressman Emanuel Cleaver saying he is not sure that all this damage here in Orick is going to qualify for FEMA assistance, Federal Emergency Management assistance. Now, they have no estimates yet on the amount of damage here, but meanwhile, some of the cleanup does continue in earnest here in Orick. Now, small bobcats were roaring around Orick all over the place today. They were running up the piles of tree limbs and the debris from the storm. The town's west side of Orick got hit the hardest by the storm, but almost all the sections of this small town of about 800 were hit by the storm. Now people are talking about two things: their own personal storm stories and the generosity of their family, their friends, and in some cases, complete strangers.
Not only the people in town, but the people that come from out of town. They just like, can I do something? It's like, yeah, prick that up, and then you don't see them again. Next thing you know, they're just still working. So it's just very awesome the way people come together.
So lots of help here from volunteer groups coming in to help the residents of Orick clean up from this tornado that struck the town and did a lot of damage here on Saturday afternoon. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.